On March 7, 2026, it finally happened. The USS Nimitz, CVN-68, the oldest supercarrier still serving in the U.S. Navy, headed out from her longtime home in Bremerton, Washington, for the very last time. She was first commissioned way back in 1975, and for over 50 years, she's really been the heart of American naval power. Now, the ship everyone calls the Old Salt is on a massive 12,400-mile journey toward her final stop in Norfolk, Virginia. It was a pretty emotional sight for all the sailors and families watching this legendary vessel pull away from the Pacific Northwest. Since the Nimitz is so huge, she actually can't fit through the Panama Canal. Because of that, she has to take the long way around the southern tip of South America. But the Navy is making the most of it by turning the trip into a special mission called Southern Seas 2026. While she rounds Cape Horn, she'll be teaming up with friends from navies in countries like Brazil, Chile, and Peru for some joint exercises. You can think of it as one last victory lap around the continent before she officially goes into retirement. The history of the USS Nimitz is truly something else. She was named after Admiral Chester W. Nimitz, who led the Pacific Fleet during World War II, and she's been right in the middle of almost every major conflict for the last half-century. From missions in Iran and Iraq to the War on Terror, this ship has seen it all. And get this, back in 2023, she logged her 350,000th aircraft landing, which is a world record for any carrier. Once she pulls into the Chesapeake Bay around April 2026, the long process of decommissioning her will begin. It's a lot more complicated than just turning off the lights, though. Since she's nuclear-powered, experts have to carefully remove the fuel and handle the reactors, a job that can take up to 10 years to finish. Even though everyone loves the Nimitz, her hull and engines are just reaching the end of their lives. At this point, it makes more sense to build brand new ships than to keep spending billions on old repairs. Saying goodbye to the Nimitz is a big turning point for the Navy as they start focusing on the next generation Ford-class carriers. There's a bit of a debate about whether retiring her will leave us short-handed for a while. But for now, most people are just feeling a sense of deep respect. She was the first of her kind and really defined what a modern supercarrier should be. Her silhouette on the horizon will always be remembered as a true symbol of American strength on the seas.